Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be another looks and feels like hair. Now I am rocking these Havana or these, big twists, whatever you want to call them. And I'm doing this video to let you all know actually how I created this style. Now if you've been following me, you know that I've created this style before. It's actually one of my favorite styles to do on my hair because when you talk about protective, this is a really protective style, mainly because of what you're using in your hair, and also because how you're styling this style. So for this style, I actually went and used yarn to do my hair. So this is actually yarn, and every time I do this style, every time I go out, there's always people asking me like, what type of hair is that? And when I tell them that it's yarn, they're really surprised that it's yarn. So again, I'm gonna let you all know what type of yarn that I'm using. Again, I've done this video before with this yarn. I'm just doing another one to provide some additional information. Now this is the Hometown USA yarn. I had to look at the name again. And I bought this yarn from Walmart. You can get it just about anywhere, but Walmart is by far the more affordable place that I've bought this yarn from. And how I created these twists, I went ahead and actually used 8 strands of this yarn to get this size. And I like using 8 strands. I actually have done it where I've used like 6 strands, so they were a bit smaller, but I like them when they're really thick and just very unique looking. So this is how it looks when you are using 8 strands, and you'll decide how long you want it. I kind of just like mine just below the shoulders because it is hot out here. It is summer, and you don't want too much going on because you want to go ahead and keep cool as possible. But I really love this style, guys. I'm gonna go into the video now and show you all how I did it, so continue to watch if you'd like to see more.